Welcome to Dialogue 19. London has some very interesting cinemas. There are films from all over the world showing in Leicester Square. Peter buys a ticket from the machine. It is quicker than waiting in a queue. Admission to the cinema is quite expensive. You pay for the film. Then you buy some popcorn. Peter meets an old friend from work.
Hello David, how are you? What are you doing here?
I'm very well. I work here. I help run the cinema. What do you do?
I have an internet marketing agency.
That's very different.
Not really, it's all the rage.
I suppose so. Especially these days, it's all about selling.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at around 6 o'clock. Why do you ask?
Well, I'm in town for the day and we can have a coffee or a bite to eat. I am watching a film from France in the original version. Then after we can catch up.
Peter continues his visit to the cinema complex. He wants to see if he can understand without the subtitles.